Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Sunroofs, exploring the pros and cons for your car. The decision to add a sunroof to your car comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. With a sunroof, you can bask in the sunlight and enjoy the open-air driving experience. However, there are also drawbacks to consider, such as potential maintenance issues and increased cabin noise. In this video, we will delve into the pros and cons of having a sunroof for your car, helping you make an informed choice that suits your preferences and lifestyle. Understanding sunroofs. Sunroofs are a popular feature in cars that provide an open-air experience while driving. But what exactly are sunroofs and how do they work? Let's delve into the definition and functionality, the different types available, and the benefits they bring to car owners. Definition and functionality. A sunroof is a panel on the roof of a vehicle that can be opened or removed to allow light, air, and sometimes even the sky to enter the car's cabin. It adds a touch of luxury and style to the vehicle, enhancing the overall driving experience. Most sunroofs are made of glass, but some may also be constructed of metal or a combination of materials. The main purpose of a sunroof is to provide ventilation and natural light inside the car, creating a more pleasant atmosphere for both the driver and passengers. Types of sunroofs. There are several types of sunroofs available in the market, each with its own unique features and mechanisms. The most common types include pop-up sunroof. This type of sunroof tilts or pops up at the back to allow fresh air into the vehicle. It's a simple and cost-effective option for those looking to enjoy a bit of open-air driving. Inbuilt sunroof. Integrated into the roof of the car, this type of sunroof can be opened to varying degrees or retracted completely into the roof. It offers a seamless look when closed and provides a panoramic view when open. Panoramic sunroof. As the name suggests, a panoramic sunroof extends across a large portion of the roof, allowing both front and rear passengers to enjoy an unobstructed view of the sky. It enhances the feeling of space and openness inside the car. Benefits of sunroofs. Having a sunroof in your car comes with a range of benefits that contribute to a more enjoyable driving experience. Some of the advantages of sunroofs include natural light. Sunroofs allow natural light to enter the car, creating a brighter and more welcoming environment for occupants. Ventilation. Opening a sunroof can improve airflow inside the car, reducing stuffiness and creating a more comfortable ride. Scenic views. Enjoying the scenery above through a sunroof can add a sense of freedom and connection with the outdoors while on the road. Aesthetic appeal. Sunroofs enhance the exterior appearance of a vehicle, giving it a stylish and sophisticated look. Resale value. Cars with sunroofs often have a higher resale value due to the added features and desirability among buyers. Whether you opt for a pop-up, inbuilt, or panoramic sunroof, adding this feature to your car can elevate your driving experience and make every journey more enjoyable. Pros of having a sunroof. Driving with a sunroof can truly enhance your overall driving experience. The open roof allows you to feel more connected to the outdoors while cruising down the road. It creates a sense of freedom and brings a refreshing element to your drive. Enhanced driving experience. With a sunroof, you can let in the fresh air and natural light, making your journey more pleasurable. The openness of the sunroof can add a sense of spaciousness to the interior, giving you a more enjoyable and less claustrophobic ride. Increased natural light and fresh air. One of the significant advantages of having a sunroof is the increased natural light it brings into your vehicle. The sunlight filtering in through the sunroof can uplift your mood and create a brighter, more inviting atmosphere in the car. Additionally, opening the sunroof allows for fresh air circulation, contributing to a more comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Aesthetically pleasing. Sunroofs are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. They add a stylish and modern touch to your vehicle, enhancing its overall appearance. The sleek design of a sunroof can give your car a more upscale look and feel. Potential increase in resale value. Having a sunroof can potentially increase the resale value of your vehicle. Many buyers are attracted to the luxury and convenience of a sunroof, which could make your car more appealing in the used car market. It can be a desirable feature that sets your vehicle apart from others and may help you fetch a higher price when it comes time to sell. Cons of having a sunroof. Driving with a sunroof can be an exhilarating experience, but there are several cons to consider before opting for this feature in your vehicle. Risk of leaks and water damage. One of the primary drawbacks of having a sunroof is the risk of leaks and water damage. Over time, the seals around the sunroof can deteriorate, leading to water seepage during rain or car washes. This can not only be a nuisance but also cause damage to the interior of your car, leading to mold, mildew, and potentially costly repairs. Noise and wind turbulence. While cruising down the highway with the sunroof open can be enjoyable, it also brings an increased noise and wind turbulence. This can be distracting and make conversations inside the car challenging, especially at higher speeds. For those who prefer a quieter ride, the constant rush of wind noise may be a significant downside. As we conclude the first part of our two-part series on sunroofs, exploring the pros and cons of your car, we hope you found this information enlightening. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue the discussion and explore more advanced considerations for sunroof installation and maintenance. Until then, may you continue to explore, learn, and prioritize your car's features. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.